Hi guys, Harry here, and join me as I unbox my products from Purito. This Iselic Acetone Kojic Tea Tree Serum. This one targets acne, it targets redness, it also targets dark spots. SS6 niacinamide retinal serum. It's toning booster facial serum. It fits hyperpigmentation, dark spots. It's even out skin tones and smooth texture. You can pick the glow already. This is the Purito Seoul Bamboo Pattern Cream. It's a barrier repairer, moisturizer. It's packed with bamboo extracts and patternol to calm irritation. It's also locking moisture. It strengthens your skin barrier without feeling heavy. This is one of my favorite moisturizer. So if your skin is struggling with acne, hyperpigmentation, or barrier damage, Purito have something for you. Thank you for watching, guys.